name is Muhammad Haziq Haikal, and today I'm going to explain to you guys about UV-Vis Spectrophotometer. In front of me here, we got a model of UV-Vis Spectrophotometer, and I'm going to explain to you guys about the major components of UV-Vis Spectrophotometer. Here we have the light source, and then we have the wavelength selector, which is monochromator. And then we have the sample cells, which is what we call as a cuvette, and then a detector, and then we have here a readout device. And I'm going to explain to you guys in details about all these major components. So the light source will provide a broad width of wavelength, and this broad width of wavelength will be selected by the wavelength selector or monochromator only one single wavelength, and then the wavelength will pass through the sample cell, and from the sample cell it will taken up by the photomultiplier tube or our detector to convert the wavelength energy into an electrical signal that will read by our readout device. The light source will pass through the entrance slit of monochromator, and then will pass through the prism that only select one single wavelength. We can preset it like 525 nanometer wavelength, and it only produce 525 nanometer of wavelength out of the exit slit into the sample cell. And from the sample cell, it will absorb some of the wavelength and then transmit into the photomultiplier tube or our detector that will convert the wavelength into electrical signal, and from the electrical signal our readout device will read and give out our spectrum. That's all from me. Thank you.